Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by blocking in the face with a single, confident circle and faint center guidelines. This gives you balance. Use a light hand so you can erase and refine. Next, choose the emoji's mood, happy, surprised, sleepy, because that decision guides eye shape and mouth placement. Once done, mark where the eyes sit on the horizontal line and where the mouth will fall below it. By starting precise, you reduce redraws and keep proportions playful yet consistent. You now refine the defining features, eyes and mouth. Begin with simple eye shapes, small circles for neutral, wide ovals for surprised, or curved lines for sleepy, and keep spacing roughly 1 eye width between them. Add pupils and a tiny white highlight to make the face pop and read emotionally. For the mouth, try a subtle curve for a soft smile or an open oval for surprise. Adjust thickness and tilt to change tone. Make small tweaks until the expression reads clearly from a distance. You finish by inking and coloring. Darken the final lines, erase construction marks, and block in a flat base color. Then add simple shading or a subtle gradient to suggest roundness and a small blush or shadow under the mouth to increase warmth. If details crowd the face, simplify by reducing line thickness or removing highlights. Conversely, increase contrast if features vanish at small sizes. One key troubleshooting tip: when the emotion isn't clear, step back, squint, and simplify until the expression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.